Hello, I'm Ryan, and this is the Royal English Podcast. You pressed play again. That means you're still with me. And that matters, really. Out of everything you could be doing, you chose to continue. This is the afternoon now. The day is already moving. Maybe you are busy. Maybe you are outside. Maybe you are just listening quietly. But you came back. So take a slow breath. Let your shoulders relax. We are not rushing. We are just continuing. And I'm glad you're here. Now let's move forward, slowly, together. The afternoon feels active. People are outside. Cars move along the road. Shops are open. Voices fill the air. The world feels awake. And you are part of that movement. Going out is something you already do. You don't think about it. You just do it. You leave the house. You walk. You go somewhere. Today, we use those simple actions, not to study, but to live with English. English works best like this, inside real moments, inside real movement. As you listen, imagine yourself moving through the day. No rush, no stress, just the rhythm of the afternoon. Now, listen first. Just listen and stay with the words. I finish my work. I stand up. I take my bag. I check my phone. I open the door. Good. Let's continue. I step outside. The air feels different. Now, listen again. Repeat if you want. I finish my work. I finish my work. I stand up. I stand up. I take my bag. I take my bag. Nice. He smiles. There is no right speed here. You control the pace. Some days you repeat. Some days you only listen. Both are good. Both help. English grows when you return, not when you force it. Now, we continue. Stay with the sound. Now let's move together. I step outside. I step outside. I walk down the street. I walk down the street. People pass by. People pass by. Cars move slowly. Cars move slowly. I cross the road. I cross the road. Good. Let's continue. I wait, then I move forward. I wait, then I move forward. I keep walking. I keep walking. I check the time. I check the time. I look for a place to sit. I look for a place to sit. Nice. We keep going. I buy a coffee. I wait for my bus. I meet a friend. I arrive at my place. Very good. Stay with it. I stop for a moment. I breathe in. I breathe out. I am here. Okay, and that is enough. Let me tell you something important. You don't need long study time. You don't need perfect focus. 5 minutes like this matters. Listening while walking, listening while resting, listening while living. This is how English becomes natural, not from pushing, but from staying close. Some days feel easy. Some days feel busy. On busy days, just come back for a moment. One sentence, one breath, one small return. That is how habits grow. And habits change everything. All right, you did it. You stayed with the practice today. That really matters. You gave yourself time. You stayed calm. Many people stop early, but you did not. This moment is yours, and that is not small. Now, you do not need more today. This is enough. Let the words rest. You can remember them later or forget them for now. It is okay. Wow, I am proud of you. Learning can be quiet. Quiet moments stay longer. Tomorrow, we talk about the evening, a slower time, a softer moment. Same calm voice, same easy English. For now, rest. I will see you tomorrow.